Hello, in front of me I have Honor 400, and in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup. Okay, so first there are a few things that you need to remember. First, make sure that in the settings of your device, under the Google options, right in here, you are logged into the same Google account on which you made the backup earlier. It is crucial because if you are logged into other Google account, there is a chance that you won't be able to restore your backup. So make sure that in here you are logged into the same Google account, just like I have said. Now open up your WhatsApp. I just downloaded it. Now select your language, click on this green button. Oh, I missed the language. Okay, now agree and continue. Click on allow. Now in here, in this bar, you need to type your phone number, so that's what I'm going to do now. If you don't know what is your phone number, you can always click in here, what's my number, and it will be automatically pasted. Okay, once you have typed, click on next, then confirm that it's your phone number. Now we need to verify. Okay, I am almost done. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. Contacts and media. Now we need to click on continue. Click on allow, allow, allow. And now, as you can see, we have option to restore our chats. Below you can see when the last backup was made. Also next to it we have the hour on which it was made. Below we have the size of it and the account on which we made it. And as you can see, it's the same Google account, which is also in my settings. Let's you to take a look. It's the same Google account. Okay. And now all you need to do is to tap on this green button, restore, and if you don't do it now, there's a chance that in the future you won't be able to restore your backup. So I suggest you should do it now. Now click on restore. Now we need to simply wait. In my case, it's not gonna take long to restore all that messages because there aren't many of them. And now you can see that 19 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Now click on next. Under the profile info, you can type your name, and if you are interested in changing the profile photo, click on this icon right in here. Now click on next, and now you can see that all of the messages, including the videos and photos, have been successfully restored. Okay, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.